Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Oraimo Freepods 4, which is a new budget earphones coming at a price of 4,500 Kenyan shillings or $30 US. Let's dive into this review and see if it's really worth the money. The Oraimo Freepods 4 come in a black and white aesthetic, which are comfortable and sleek to wear. It's a slide to open case, which is usually not seen at these price ranges. So let's get into the unboxing of the Oraimo Freepods 4. This generation of Oraimo Freepods comes with Bluetooth 5.0, allowing for good and seamless connection with your phones through Bluetooth. It also comes with support for the Android quick pairing feature, which means just as how AirPods connect seamlessly with Apple devices, if you do have a version of Android 10 and above, you'll be able to experience fast pairing using the Oraimo Freepods 4. The Freepods 4 also come with support for the Oraimo application, which allows you to change EQ preferences and other things. We'll get more into detail on the application in a bit. The Oraimo Freepods 4 also come with ability to use Google's Find My Device features, which allows you to find the Oraimo Freepods 4 if they are lost. Now, the only caveat to this feature is that the Oraimo Freepods have a auto shut off feature after 2 minutes, which means if you'll only be able to find them if they're connected via Bluetooth to your phone. So if you lost them somewhere and you've left the vicinity, they will lose the connection and you might not be able to find them. But using the Find My application, you can see the last spot on Google Maps where they were connected to your phone and be able to retrieve them there. The Freepods 4 come with an in-ear hooked design, and you can see the black dot there. That is the touch sensor. That right there is a feature that I personally prefer, because in other earbuds, earbuds, the touch sensor is usually the same color as the background, which means it takes some time to adapt to it and know exactly where the touch sensor is for you to be able to control your music. Talking about the touch sensor, it comes with a bunch of features. There is single tap on either ear to pause your music, double tap to go to the next track, triple tap to go to the previous track, and in terms of call, single tap to pick up the call, tap and hold for 2 beeps to disconnect the call, and tap and whilst you're on the call, tap and hold for 4 beeps to disconnect the call. For gaming enthusiasts, Oraimo Freepods 4 come with a low latency game mode, which allows you to have faster reaction times in your games. The Oraimo Freepods 4 are equipped with 10mm drivers. This allows for a clean auditory experience. Now, though the curve for the audio isn't the most flat, and it does take a more V-shaped curve that most earphones at this price range come for, it has a good enough sound range, and for the price it's worth the money. I would personally rate these earbuds at a 6 out of 10, and mainly because it does have a bit more bass, which makes the vocals muddy, and the highs tend to be a bit higher than to my preference. But for the price range, for 4,500 Kenyan shillings or for $30, it's really not that bad. The Oraimo Freepods 4 come with an impressive 4-array microphone selection, which means that it It will have exceptional call quality, allowing you to be able to make calls while wearing them. It also uses ENC and AI to reduce background noise, making vocals more clear when you're talking to someone over the phone. So now let's talk about the Oraimo application. The application itself allows you to swap between active noise cancellation off, and transparency modes. It also allows you to have custom EQ settings, and also this right here is the earphone touch control settings, which means you can change your touch controls and which earbud you would like to use for your touch controls. And here we have the equalizer settings. We have the standard heavy bass, rock and jazz options, as well as your ability to create your own earphones, your own EQ settings. Now personally, I prefer the standard settings because the heavy bass option makes the vocals more muddy, but that's just personal preference. You can also toggle your game mode from here and see other options that you may have, such as firmware update, quick start guides, and help and feedback settings. The Freepods app also allows you to see the charge on the case and each of the individual earbuds. Active noise cancellation and transparency mode at this price range is actually phenomenal. The ANC is really good. It creates a sort of bubble around you, and when ANC is on with music off, it removes light background sounds and static sounds and muddles out louder sounds of people talking. ANC with moderately loud music on, I can assure you won't be able to hear a thing in the background. And transparency mode is also quite clear. You can hear the outside noise being filtered in through with the music. So it allows for, at this price range especially, it allows for a lot of things that can be done. And I think for the price, it's really worth the money. We must also remember that ANC and transparency mode are usually found on mid-range and high-range earbuds that cost upwards of $150. So considering that in mind, I believe that the Oraimo Freepods 4 are really worth the money that you pay for them, and they might be the best budget earphones that Oraimo has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. I'll continue working on more videos to put out in the future. Till then, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on what you liked about the video, what you disliked about the video, or any other future improvements we can make to the video. So that's it for today. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.